Hey guys, welcome back to Winding Road Magazine. I'm Tedward and I'm here at Aston Martin Lotus of New England, and today I'm sitting in an unfamiliar cabin. This is the new Lotus Evija. It is their new electric hypercar, and it's going to have 2,000 horsepower and achieve 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in under 9 seconds. Let's start out in the interior. We're decked out in carbon fiber, very sparse, very Lotus. In fact, even the dashboard is hollow. There's this cross member specifically for the sake of rigidity. Ambient lighting going around the cabin and the doors. And you may notice there are no side mirrors when we get outside. That's because these cameras are going to be our mirrors. And in the back, we've also got our rear view here. These are all going to be haptic touch. Well, they are haptic touch. And we're being cautious, of course, due to viral spread. We can't have anyone else in our showroom, so we're doing this virtually. We've got our F1 inspired steering wheel as well. When the car is in full production spec, you're going to notice that this is where your storage will be, so you'll be able to push, release that, and you'll be able to tuck away some things in your cubby holes. Let's head over to the front of the car. The first thing you notice is the shape. It's absolutely outrageous. It's very wide, and frankly, it's quite small. But this car is all about aero. First off, let's talk about this headlight design. We've got laser lights, and if you can see closely to cool those, there's a little impeller down here. Very crafty. The shape is outrageous, but it might be a detailer's nightmare because you can pretty much reach your hand through every surface. So I have a feeling companies like Roops are going to have to design some new tools for the 130 lucky buyers. That's right, there's only going to be 130 of these, and they're going to be starting around $2.5 million. Of course, it's Lotus, so everything is in the interest of lightweight and speed. We've got magnesium wheels, and these blue center caps are going to be an accessory item, so that's something that will match around the back. When we look at our remote reservoirs down here, those are blue. You'll be able to match that with your center caps. Around the back of the car, we have this massive tunnel that channels air through the back of the car. So you could actually reach your hand right through there and see out the front. And there's some shark fins in there as well for cooling. Now, if we put up the spoiler, you'll notice that we've got the DRS. And they move in unison. And then if you had a keen eye, you'll notice that we went from our brake light there to our brake light here. So we put that back down. Now on this side of the car, this is where our mirrors are coming from. So if we can open those up, you'll see where the cameras would show that image. Of course, the car is just pouring and littered with carbon fiber everywhere. Anywhere you can see is a lightweight material, including the Lotus badge, which is actually quite large. I don't know that I've ever seen a Lotus badge quite that big on a production car. Up front, you can also start to get a picture of the aero down here, and a removable windshield wiper. Right now we don't have the wiper on, but if it were installed, it would be straight up and down the center of that windshield. And because it's an electric vehicle, we still need to charge it. Very trick little flip panel here to charge, and then you've got your hand built in Britain by Lotus. Yeah, let's put that back down. Probably not aero functional, but man, it's probably one of my favorite little tricks of this car. I'll put all of the specs in the description below, and if you've got any questions, well, you're going to have to wait, because we're still waiting for the final production car. We can't wait to see this on the road, and we hope to see one soon, even though there will only be 130 made.